Yum! And welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today we are going to be making smothered pork chops. And if you want to learn how to make all kinds of food and dishes homemade the easy and simple way, subscribe so you'll get all my videos and tap that bell so you'll get notified. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's just dive right in. And as you can see, I have a jar of mayo in my hand. Yes, just regular real mayonnaise. And you know, sometimes when you don't have buttermilk on hand or ingredients to make buttermilk with, guess what guys? Mayo works wonders. It's tasty, it's already seasoned, and all you need to do is add water to it. Now I put about 3 tablespoons of mayo into this dish, and I'm just adding water and I'm going to stir and stir until it's nice and smooth. Woo, that looks good. Okay, so now we have our pork chops here. These are boneless pork chops. They're about a 1/2 inch thick, as you can see. And we're just going to coat them first in our mayonnaise, and then we are going to just put seasoned flour on them. Now I've just got a little salt, onion, and garlic powder in here, and a little cracked black pepper. So you just want to make sure they're well coated. You want your skillet to have a little oil in it, maybe about a 1/4 of an inch or so of oil. And you want your skillet on medium-high heat. Just put your pork chop in there and let it sizzle away. Okay, so I'm going to just get all of the rest of these pork chops coated and in the skillet. We're going to fry them until they are a nice golden brown. Yum! Okay guys, now we have them ready to turn over. We just want to make sure that they are golden brown on each side. So we're going to go ahead and flip these over. Yes, see that color guys? These are nice and golden brown. I couldn't ask for a better color on them. And never overcrowd your skillet guys. I have about 8 chops. I'm going to do them in 2 batches. Never overcrowd your skillet. That'll cause your meat to get really greasy. Okay guys, so we are all done frying our pork chops. I always fry whatever, if it's smothered chicken, pork chops, or whatever, I like to fry it first. Look at that guys. And as usual, they're draining on a cooling rack with paper towels underneath. Nice and golden brown. Okay guys, so now we are going to make our gravy. And guys, I'm going to run through this gravy section here relatively quick. And if you want to know the step-by-step directions, I have a link right above me right now. You can click on that and get the full video for making gravy. Right now we're just adding our flour, getting this all stirred up, and we're going to be putting in some onion, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder into it. Then after that, we're going to get that mixed in and we're going to add water to it. Now you can also add chicken or beef broth, but check out that video to find out all the details. Now that we have our gravy made, we're adding our pork chops back in. We want to make sure they are good and covered. Now this time all 8 chops will be able to fit into the skillet. Go ahead, take a spoon, get them covered up real good. Then what we're going to do is let them sit in this gravy and simmer for maybe about 15 minutes or so until they are nicely coated. And we're done. Woohoo! Look at that guys. Smothered pork chops. Delicious. And guys, if you like these how-to videos, consider supporting me over on Patreon too. I have the link in the description as well as right here. And guys, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll get notified. Thanks for watching.